Welcome to my channel. Techozio. The Switch is a transformer bike that allows riders to adjust its height while riding, making it a mix between a chopper and a city bike. Transforming the bike involves shifting forward or backward. However, a potential drawback is that the seat rises. If the rider's feet touch the ground, making it necessary to dismount, quickly detailed instructions for building a Switch bike can be found on Instructable to construct one. You'll need a full suspension mountain bike gas shock absorbers, steel elements, and a welding machine. Additional tuning, like adding a footrest or a more comfortable handlebar, can enhance the bike's usability. The EnoFlex SnowBike is a versatile winter machine engineered by EnoDrive in Canada, a company known for sustainable mobility solutions. This SnowBike features a foldable aluminum frame, a powerful 1000W hub motor, a 48V 7.50 battery, and a suspension fork. It offers a dual battery option for extended range and includes a pedal assist system with 5 levels of electric assistance, plus a throttle for extra speed. The bike can handle grades up to 25% and has a range of 15 to 50 km on one battery, depending on terrain, and assist level priced at $3,175. The EnoFlex SnowBike provides year-round adventure. The Concept e-bike 1865 is a modern tribute to the 19th century velocipede, showcasing the future of innovation with its 24 unique high-performance polymers designed by BSF and the Ding 3000 design firm. This e-bike only uses metal for the brakes, axles, and motor. The rest is made from advanced plastics. Although it isn't available for commercial purchase, the Concept EDK 1865 serves as an experimental design and a showcase for contemporary plastics potential applications. This bike exemplifies the fusion of historical design and modern materials, inviting exploration into innovative product concepts and the remarkable uses of current polymers across various sectors. The square wheel tricycle is a unique type of tricycle designed to glide smoothly on a track shaped like an inverted carry. The carry is the curve formed by a suspended cable or chain. Depending on the radius of the circle, the square wheels can vary in size. The tricycle features pedals attached to the front wheel, while a transmission connects the back wheels. Various factors, such as size, materials, design, and track, influence the cost of a square wheel. Tricycle constructing a square wheel bike with a straight track is estimated to cost around $110,000, according to a U.S. patent. Circular tracks like the one at Momath are more complex and costly to build, leading to a price range of $115,000 to $20,000 or even higher.